Did you know your body starts losing collagen as early as your 30s, and by the time you're 60, you may have lost more than half of it? That's one big reason why so many older adults struggle with stiff knees, sore joints, and even sagging skin. But here's the good news. Certain foods can actually boost your collagen naturally and help keep you moving with less pain. Today, we'll go through the top 10 collagen-rich foods every senior should know about. And stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a few tips on how to get the most out of these foods every day. If you're over 60, you already know that staying active and independent is priceless. But painful joints, stiff knees, and loss of flexibility can make even simple tasks like climbing stairs or gardening feel exhausting. The secret ingredient your body desperately needs? Collagen. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your joints, bones, and skin together. Without enough of it, our bodies start to creak like an old door hinge. Now here's the exciting part. You don't always need supplements to restore collagen. Nature already gives us plenty of delicious foods that can help your body make more of it. Let's explore the 10 best foods that not only taste great, but also support your joints, bones, and overall vitality.
Number 1. Bone broth. Let's start with the king of collagen, bone broth. Made by simmering animal bones for hours, bone broth releases natural collagen, gelatin, and minerals like magnesium and calcium. It's like liquid gold for your joints. A warm cup in the evening not only soothes your body, but also helps you sleep better. Practical tip: buy pre-made low-sodium bone broth or make your own at home with chicken or beef bones.
Number 2, chicken. Ever notice the stringy bits in chicken? That's connective tissue and it's packed with collagen. Chicken breast, thighs, and especially skin are excellent sources. It's no wonder many collagen supplements are made from chicken. Practical tip: opt for roasted or baked chicken instead of fried for heart health. Number 3. Fish and fish skin. Fish, especially with the skin on, is another natural collagen booster. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3s, which fight inflammation, and their skin has collagen that supports joints and even your skin elasticity. Practical tip: try grilled salmon with a skin for maximum benefit. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs don't contain collagen in the whites, but the yolk and eggshell membrane are rich in collagen-building nutrients like proline. Plus, they're a great source of protein, which your body needs to repair joint tissues. Practical tip: 2 boiled eggs in the morning can give your body a great start. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Here's something surprising. Your body needs vitamin C to actually make collagen. That's where citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits come in. Vitamin C helps link amino acids together to form collagen fibers. Practical tip: start your day with warm lemon water or a fresh orange. Number 6. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are collagen protectors. They're rich in antioxidants that stop free radicals from breaking down your collagen. Think of them as your collagen bodyguards. Practical tip: add a handful of berries to your oatmeal or yogurt. Number 7. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just good for your heart, they contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase collagen in the skin and tissues. Plus, they're packed with vitamin K, great for bone health. Practical tip: try sautéing spinach with garlic as a side dish. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's loaded with sulfur, a mineral essential for collagen production. It also has compounds that may help protect your joints from damage. Practical tip: add garlic to soups, sauces, or roasted vegetables for extra flavor and health. Number 9. Beans. Beans are full of amino acids. Those are the building blocks of protein and collagen. They're also rich in copper, which plays a role in collagen synthesis. Practical tip: black beans and lentils make an excellent addition to salads or soups. Number 10. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds don't contain collagen directly, but they're rich in zinc and healthy fats that your body needs to create and maintain collagen. Practical tip: snack on a small handful daily instead of chips or cookies. So let's recap. The top 10 collagen foods are bone broth, chicken, fish, eggs, citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, garlic, beans, and nuts and seeds. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're everyday foods that can make a big difference in how you feel. Which one of these foods do you already eat regularly? And which are you excited to try this week? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more senior health tips to keep you strong, mobile, and thriving after 60. Here's to healthier joints and a more active, pain-free life.